All right, ladies and gentlemen, in the bathroom. Wife's out there sleeping. It's midnight, and I need some light. So I'm in the bathroom, standing up over here. Um, you need to look at this Litecoin volume immediately. Look at this. It's happening right now. Right there. That's the hourly. We're on the hourly right now. 15 minutes, same thing. I mean, there's some serious volume here. It has been pumping. Look at that baby shoot from 222 to 244. It looks like it hit. That's pretty incredible. While simultaneously, Litecoin Cash, that is not doing too shabby either. $7.69 at the moment. You know, been bouncing around $8, $9, $7, $6, $8. So Litecoin's blowing up right now. Litecoin Cash is still doing great, and you would think there'd be a pretty heavy sell-off, unless, like I said yesterday, or was it earlier today, whatever it was, maybe people got smart and realized I'm not going to be selling off like my body and mind's telling me to do. I'm going to hodl for a bit. Who knows? But 769 at this moment in time. Now there is Yobit, and then there's Mercatox, and I have an account on both. And Mercatox, this is from the Litecoin Cash website, Mercatox and Yobit. So I've downloaded and I've tested the Litecoin Cash wallet. This is it right here. Now you'll notice on their site here, there's the program. So I looked at the source code, I went and took a peek. I didn't see anything that stood out. I downloaded two programs, a registry monitor and a file system monitor. I took a snapshot of the registry before I installed this and a snapshot afterwards. And I also had the file system scanner running. I'm not seeing anything that looks scary to me at all. Like I thought, this is 99% sure this is legit as it gets. So one of the instructions, and again, all you gotta do is go to their site, Litecoin Cash up here, hit the download button. And in my case, I downloaded 64-bit for Windows. And then if you scroll down just a little bit, there's this bootstrap. So I downloaded it from, I think it was this one somewhere. And it's a big file, it's like 8.5 gigabytes. So once you get that file, you can open up any folder, or right here where it says type to search, doesn't really matter. You can hit % app data %, enter. It brings you here. This is after you've installed the wallet, the Litecoin Cash wallet. This will show up as soon as you open it and it starts updating itself. So what I did was I opened it, let it update itself for a second or two, shut it down, Litecoin Cash wallet, shut it down. Now the folder's created. I went into the folder, and in here I had that zipped up bootstrap file. I unzipped it, and here's the file. It's 11 gigabytes, 11.6 gigabytes. So when I opened this back up, and after I did that, by the way, I just went ahead and restarted my laptop and just started over, just let it reboot, boot it up. It came up. I then opened Litecoin Cash, and it's starting to grab all the blocks from when Litecoin first came out, which is 2011. I'm not sure what this bootstrap does, to be honest with you. If it says it speeds up the process. Maybe it'll make this happen in 2 or 3 hours instead of 8 or 10 hours. I really don't know, but it certainly didn't start me off in the year 2016 or something to make it a little quicker. Maybe it's just going through it faster. I don't know, but I just started this. It's already at 0.81%, and it says progress increase per hour 7.8%, as you can see. I'm going to let this thing run all night long. It's on my laptop. I'm going to be taking my laptop with me to work tomorrow morning, so I'm going to leave this thing plugged in. And I went to the power settings of this laptop, in case you're going to do the same thing by chance. Power and sleep settings. On battery, we don't care, but when plugged in, PC never goes to sleep, or goes to sleep after, and I set it to never. I don't ever want it to go to sleep if this thing's plugged in. So that was my setting. I want this thing to stay up all night long. That's all I'm telling you. But look at this, man. Thing is telling you, a trader boss says, man, you cannot ignore that freaking volume. And look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing great too, 11,451. Ethereum, it's also up $8. Not that that's anything to brag about, almost 1%, but it'll be 1,000 before you know it. 1,200, 1,500, it's coming back. OMG is on the rise again, almost $18. Veritasium, nice little bump, 11% higher, $29 higher. Populist, down a hair. That's a Bitcoin and ETH prices. I'm not sure exactly where that's at the moment, but that's okay. So, I'm kind of watching this. Looking again, it's almost $8 again, $7.89 here. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. So I'll be watching this, and we'll see where this thing goes. But someone just messaged me, Joe, Litecoin, look at that volume. So I looked, I popped open, our computer was already open, laptop. I looked, I was like, holy crap. And look what happened here, right? We had $153, 157. Then we had some volume hit, boom. Took it all the way up here to 236. What this volume did. So this volume just hit 221, 222, hit a top here at 244, and maybe it's got some more room to grow. Who knows by tomorrow morning. But again, this is that week. Webbot said 13,800 Bitcoin. So this is good. I mean, I'm kind of surprised, but maybe it's because everyone's doing the same thing I'm doing, waiting for this freaking wallet to update, in a couple days. This is as slow as this thing's going. Even with that bootstrap thing, hopefully it's going to make it faster. But honestly, you'd think people still would sell those tokens, or not tokens, but the Litecoin Cash. You think people would be dumping them. It's free tokens, I keep saying tokens, free Litecoin Cash. But that's okay. And the funny thing was, I kept telling you, man, I feel this damn $10, $10. It hit $10 yesterday. I don't know where the hell I got that from, but I was feeling it. If it's already done that, and here it is today at $8, about to be $8 again right now, $7.90. You don't think this thing can be 20 or 30 bucks, 40 bucks, 50 bucks in the very near future? And believe me, I'm still thinking. I can't help but think, Joe, just pay the house off. You know that magic number. And by the way, at $8, that number is getting pretty close to where I need it to be for me to pay this whole house off. Debt free. Free cryptos. I did nothing for these other than hold some Litecoin. Got these for free. Like, again, I'm dying to just unload. As soon as this wallet's done, let me start unloading some and make it happen. But again, if I'm just a little bit more patient, what if, $20, $25, $30 here shortly? My wife don't want to hear that. Just pay the house off. You got all these damn cryptos. You got all kinds of different ones. You use one of them, pay the stupid house off. She has a point. But damn it, this is exciting. And I don't know what the hell I should do. But I will figure it out. Take care.